The first question now is that what should be added to 2 by 7 to get 3 by 5? Let us do it. Now if I ask you, you have 50 rupees with you and you want to purchase a chocolate that is of 100 rupees. How much more money will you ask from your parents? You would ask for 50 rupees more. How did you come to know? You know the total costing for chocolate was 100 rupees. You had 50 rupees with you. So what you did? You subtracted 50 from 100 and you got 50. That is, you need 50 rupees to be added into your pocket to buy that chocolate. So that is what is to be done over here. You have to add something to this value to make it 3 by 5. So what are we going to do? We are going to subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. And how do we do that? We take out the LCM of 5 and 7, which is 35. We write 5, how much times is 35? 7, and write the numerator minus, what is 7? How many times is 35? It is 5 times, and we write the numerator. So we get 7 3s are 21 minus 5 2s are 10 upon 35, that is equal to 11 over 35. This should be added to 2 by 7 to make it 3 by 5. The next question says that the length of a rectangle is this much centimeters and breadth of the rectangle is given as these many centimeters. We have to find the perimeter and area of the rectangle. Now let us write down what is given in the question. Length of rectangle given to us is how much? 4 whole 3 by 5 centimeters. We have to convert this into fraction. So you make a multiplication sign and a plus sign. 5 4s is 20, 20 plus 3, 23 over 5 centimeters. The next is breadth. So you write breadth of rectangle, or you can simply write B representing the breadth, that is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeters. Again converting it, you get 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. Now you have the length and breadth both in the fraction form. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to find the perimeter of the rectangle and we have to find the area of rectangle. So as we know, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Let us do that. How much is L? It is 23 upon 5 plus what is breadth? 11 over 4. So on solving further, how do we solve it? We take out the LCM of 5 and 4, that will be 20. Now 5 how much times is 20? 4, and we write 23 plus 4 how many times is 20? 5, and we write 11 as it is. Further solving, we get 4 into 23, 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 2s are 8, 9 plus 11 into 5, 55 upon 20. Further solving, 2 into 92 plus 55 is 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 147 upon 20. Now multiplying this fraction with 2, 2 into 147 upon 20 would be equal to 2 upon 1, because nothing was written in the denominator. 2 is a whole number, so we write 1 on our own and we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 into 20 is 20. 2 into 147 would be 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 1s are 2. So this is the, you can say, perimeter coming out, or you can further solve it and get the answer. So if you want to solve it further, you have to divide it with the common factor. What is the common factor coming to both? Let's say it is 2, and on dividing this with 2, you would get further as 1 4 7 whole upon 10. Now does this has any other further factor common? No, but yes, on dividing 147 with 10, you would get 14.7 centimeters as the perimeter of the rectangle, right? Next part of this question was, they were asking about the area also. So let us find out the area now. the area of rectangle is how much? Length into breadth. So what do? We will multiply the length with breadth, that is 23 upon 5 into 11 over 4, that is equal to 23 into 11 multiplied, and in the denominator we multiply 4 with 5. So let us multiply 23 with 11. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, and we get 253 upon 5 4s are 20, right? Now can we solve it any further? No, it is not further solving possible. Yes, you can divide it and leave the answer in decimal form or in mixed fraction, whichever way you want. I am leaving the answer as 253 upon 20 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because this is the area and area's unit is centimeter square. So this is the area and we have already found out the perimeter.